Hi. My name is Jain, CEO and founder of Sun Genomics. We're a microbiome health company creating precision probiotics. Our bodies are made up of trillions of human cells, and each of those cells houses your DNA. And between the two of you sitting next to each other, your DNAs are 99.9% similar. Our bodies also house trillions of microbial cells, and each of those cells houses their DNA, known as the microbiome. And between the two of you, your microbiomes are only 10% similar. You're 90% unique. At Sun Genomics, we're interested in what makes you unique and how your uniqueness is associated with health and disease. In fact, your unique microbiome has not only been associated with health, but also the risk for chronic conditions that span our lifetime, such as obesity, diabetes, arthritis, or gastrointestinal issues. Well, my son had a gastrointestinal issue a couple years ago, and I didn't know what to do, so I thought I would test his gut microbiome, and the simplest thing, go pick up a probiotic. So I ran to the store, I get to the probiotic aisle, and this is what I found. Hundreds of probiotics to choose from. I'm a microbiologist, and I couldn't tell the difference between room temp and refrigerated, and the high CFUs, the concentrations, and the strains. So I didn't take one probiotic that day. I took tons of probiotics off the shelf. And I didn't go home. I went to the lab, and I started testing these probiotics. And we developed two key assays, a gastric survivability assay, so I could test whether or not when you ingest these supplements, would it actually survive your stomach acid and get to your site of health benefit? And then two, a DNA metagenomic sequencing assay, so I could determine at the strain level what's in these products. And the results of that study were astonishing to me. 85% of the probiotics off the shelf didn't survive the gastric system. Only 15% survive. And furthermore, the DNA metagenomics revealed there were several strains within these products not listed on the label. So to me, this creates a real divide. Hundreds of millions of Americans suffering from these microbiome-associated diseases, and the first consumer solution that we turn to in a $3.7 billion global market, it doesn't work. So I went back to my son's microbiome profile. I looked at the specific species-level calls we were able to make and matched that precisely to the species-level probiotics that would be best for him. And then I quickly realized I'm not the only one that's faced this challenge before. And that's why I created Floré, Precision Probiotics, a custom-formulated probiotic based off of one's gut DNA microbiome profile. And it's real easy. You can go on sungenomics.com today, subscribe to Floré for $99 a month. We're going to ship you your microbiome collection kit at your convenience. Collect a microstool sample, send it back to the Sun Genomics lab. We'll then provide you with your full microbiome signature as well as 3 months of custom formulated probiotics. Now, we're able to accomplish all of this through two key innovations. First, our patented methodology around whole genome sequencing to custom formulate probiotics. This allows us to get down to the species-level calls in your gut microbiome and match that precisely with the species-level organisms for your probiotics. Second, we've also thought through the gastric survivability of the probiotics, thinking of the dosages, the strains, and the storage conditions so you can have maximal benefit. These two key innovations have enabled our customers to realize significant health benefits. Here's Caroline's profile. So Caroline shared with us that she has rheumatoid arthritis, some inflammation, and was actually experiencing pain. And what you're seeing here is before Floré and after Floré. And before Floré, Caroline's profile showed, highlighted in yellow here, a high level of C. difficile, a gram-negative known inflammatory microbe. But 3 months after being on Floré, Caroline's C. difficile concentration dropped by 40%. And she reported back to us that the pain had subsided. And what's more is the good microbes in her gut, the bifidobacteria, the rosburia, they had all increased by over 8-fold or more. So we had rebalanced Caroline's microbiome. Meet Sean. Sean's lactose intolerant. In 2 months after being on Floré, Sean was able to go out and enjoy a slice of cheese pizza and not feel that stomach pain or any bloating. Meet Jordan. Jordan is a registered dietitian for a Bay Area sports team wearing a red shirt. I can't go any further than that. 2 weeks after being on Floré, Jordan felt that boost in energy. So we've been able to reach customers like Caroline and Sean and Jordan through 2 key channels, our direct sales channel and digital marketing, and then our affiliate marketing through health and wellness clinics as well as medical clinics. And Sun Genomics is currently pursuing licensing opportunities to engage the international market. Our customers and our sales come from 6 key segments, and we found beachhead markets in food allergies, chronic conditions, and athletic performance. Since our pilot program in June of 2017, we've commercialized Floré. And the last 4 months, we've seen month-over-month growth of over 50%, enabling a lifetime value of over $900 that continues to grow as we haven't added any subscribers leave. And we're not just a test. So we're actually providing the solution. We're providing the probiotic and providing value and revenue-generating opportunities across the value chain of probiotic manufacturing. We've already got over 30 strains in our repository and continue to expand that, and we continue to manage and mine our IP landscape. We've got 3 provisional patents filed, 1 international PCT, and 1 US fast track. And there's more. As we get to 1,000 microbiome profiles, 10,000 microbiome profiles, we'll begin to understand which probiotic strains work best for the mass market, and then drive those strains into functional foods, your kefirs, your yogurts, your smoothies, so billions of people can benefit from healthier microbiomes. This is all not possible without a fantastic multidiscipline team, 80 years of combined experience. I myself in NGS Sciences. We've got experts in laboratory science, neuroscience, bioinformatics, software development, process engineering, and we round out our expertise with a fantastic medical and scientific advisory board, not only providing guidance on the commercialization side, but thinking through of the regulatory components of ISO standards, GMP manufacturing, clinical standards, and FDA regulations. Sun Genomics has the leadership and the product to reinvent health through probiotics. We're raising $3 million to accelerate our growth, implement automation, and drive the next generation of probiotics. Please join our movement. Let's cure these microbiome-associated diseases by the year 2021. I thank you very much for your time and attention.